Vogue class. We are on our week 15 video. It's so good to see you today. Today we're going to be doing activities from the Flip Tinker Kit giveaway that we did. So if you were able to pick one up, there's all kinds of goodies and supplies, and we're just going to use one of them. If you didn't use it, if you didn't pick it up, that's okay. Everything we're going to do today are things that you might just have at home or can adapt and make it your own way. But we're going to start by getting warmed up with a song. We're going to do the hop. So for this song, every time you hear the word hop, we're going to hop. But we're going to pretend to be rock stars. So let's get out our air guitars and let's play. Are you ready? Let's dance. At the hop. At the hop. At the hop. Do the dance sensation that defeats the nation at the hop. Let's go to 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 the hop. Oh, let's go to the hop. Let's swing our legs, shake our shoulders, shake our head. At the hop. All the cats and the chicks gonna get their kicks at the hop. Let's go! Let's go to the hop. 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 Oh, let's go to the hop. Let's see your big rock star moves. Shake your hips. Good job. Shake your head. Good job. Play that air guitar. Shake those legs. Good job. At the hop. At the hop. Dance sensation that is keeping the nation at the hop. Swing your legs, swing your hips, swing your shoulders. Play that guitar. The cats and the chicks gonna get their kicks at the hop. Let's go! Let's do those rock star moves. Let's go to the hop. Let's go to the hop. Let's go to the hop. Oh, let's go to the hop. Okay, we're gonna try it all hop together. So I'm gonna count to 5 and then we're gonna hop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, guys. Great job. Are we all nice and warmed up now? We're going to do a little bit of yoga. So we're going to continue the yoga that we've been working on, my hands. So remember, we're going to stand in tree pose or mountain pose. You can stand on 2 legs if you like, or 1 leg, whatever feels comfortable to you. Are you ready? My hands upon my head I place, on my shoulders, on my face. Now we're going to get into star pose. Let's make ourselves wide. Stretch our fingers like a star at my waist and by my side. Let's bend at our waist, keep our top half floppy and our bottom half frozen. And go back and forth in ragdoll pose. And then behind me they will hide. Let's put 1 leg forward, 1 leg back, and whoop, upside down in triangle pose. Then I will raise them way up high and let my fingers fly, fly, fly. Then clap, 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 and 1, 2, 3. Let's get down into child's pose. I can barely see you. And see how quiet they can be. Let's take a deep breath in, smell the flowers, and blow out the birthday candles. Great job, you guys. We have started our unit on outdoor science. And one part about being outdoors is seeing nature, seeing how all the animals out there move and interact with each other, like rabbits that hop, or snakes that slither, or spiders that crawl, or lizards that scurry. Animals move in so many different ways. And when you're out exploring in nature on a nature walk, see what little animals or critters you can find. Notice how they move. Today we're going to read a book about how animals move, from head to toe. Look at him. We're going to try and move along with these animals. I am a penguin, and I can turn my head. Can you do it? I can do it. I am a giraffe, and I can bend my neck. Can you do it? Bend your neck? That feels pretty good. I can do it. I am a buffalo, and I can raise my shoulders. Can you do it? See, move our shoulders. I can do it. I am a monkey, and I can wave my arms. Can you do it? I can do it. I am a seal and can clap my hands. Can you do it? I can do it. I am a gorilla and I can thump my chest. Can you do it? I can do it. There he is. I am a cat and I can arch my back. Can you do it? Oh, we might need a little bit of space for this one. Here you go, let's arch our back. Ooh, stretch that back up. I can do it. I am a crocodile and I can wiggle my hips. Can you do it? Let's see. We can wiggle our hips. Can you do it? I can do it. And there he is doing it. I am a camel and I can bend my knees. Can you do it? Let's see. I can do it. And there's the little girl doing it. I am a donkey and I can kick my legs. Can you do it? Let's try. Here you go. Let's start by getting into downward dog and then kick those back legs up. Let's see. I can do it. There he is. I am an elephant and I can stomp my foot. Can you do it? Let's see. Stomp, 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 stomp. I can do it. There she is, stomping her foot. I and I can wiggle my toe. Can you do it? Let's see. Let's wiggle our toes. Wiggle our toes. I can do it. Can you do it? Even the parrot can do it, look. Great job, you guys. It's fun to notice how animals move and even to try and act like them. That's what we're gonna do with our activity from your kit. So today, we're going to use either the sidewalk chalk or the painter's tape, or a little of both. And I want you guys to make an obstacle course. If you don't have these supplies, use whatever you have. You could use books, you could use boxes. Make an obstacle course in your living room. You could draw a line and see if you could balance along it. You could draw circles and see if you can hop between each one of them. You could draw squares and see if you can make a big leap from each square to each other. See what you can do, and see if you can do it different ways, like different animals. Maybe first try and do it just like you normally would. Then try doing it by jumping like a rabbit. And then try doing it by slithering like a snake. And then try doing it while barking like a dog. See all different ways, think of all different ways that animals can move, and see how many different ways you can do your homemade obstacle course. One of my favorite animals are monkeys. I love monkeys. I think they're so funny to watch at the zoo or in documentaries where you watch about animals in nature. And monkeys are just so funny. So we're gonna sing the song 5 Little Monkeys. Are you ready? Jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys 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 jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Little monkeys jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Let's see those dance moves. Little monkey for sure. We dance like a monkey man. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Little monkeys jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Good job, you guys. Okay, before we go, we're going to cool it down with some yoga. And today we're going to do some animal movement yoga. So the first one is downward dog. See how a dog is on all fours? we're gonna do downward dog. So we're gonna put our hands on the floor and our bodies in the air and our feet, try and get them flat on the floor, but if you need to keep your heels up, that's okay too. We're gonna be here for 5. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Great job. Take a deep breath in and out. I love this picture, look. Next, we're gonna do cat-cow pose. So remember we talked earlier about how a cat likes to stretch its back? So we're gonna be on all 4s again and stretch our back up for cat pose and let it all hang down for cow pose. Ready? Let's see, get a better angle. Okay, let's move up and down and up and down and up and down. One last time, up and down. Great job. Slowly come up and take a deep breath in and out. Ooh, next we're gonna do one of my favorite ones. Lion pose. Look at that great lion. So, we are going to be like a lion, ready to roar. Are you ready? We're gonna roar 5 times. Roar, 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 and your biggest, loudest, roar. Great job. Sometimes that feels really good just to let out some roars. Next, we're going to do cobra pose. It's kind of hard to see, but here is a snake and he's kind of camouflaged in his environment. We're gonna lay on our belly, and then we're gonna put our head up like we're looking up at the sun. Are you ready? And we're gonna be here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want, you can bring up your feet and stretch them up in the sun too. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Let's take a deep breath in, smell the flowers, and blow out the birthday candles. We're gonna do our last one. This is an animal who lives in the ocean, a pufferfish. A pufferfish fills up his belly with air. Well, with water, sorry. But we're gonna fill ours up with air. Okay, so we're gonna take a couple deep breaths. Now remember, in yoga, we don't breathe from up here. We breathe from that nice big muscle right above our belly called our diaphragm. Are you ready? Let's take a deep breath in and out. Smell the flowers and blow out the birthday candles. And one more time, your biggest, deepest breath straight from your diaphragm. Take a big, deep breath in and let it all out. Great job. Okay. Let's share what our favorite part about today was. Take a deep breath in, smell the flowers, and blow out the birthday candles. I loved doing the 5 Little Monkeys song today. That's one of my favorites. What was your favorite part of today? Thanks for sharing. Have a great day. See you soon.